The new revolutionary Mimo Myst Family elevates your conference space while maximizing productivity. Each display features a beautiful, high-end, elegant design at a truly affordable price. The Mimo Myst Link is the first AV over IP display with HDMI capture. The Mimo Myst Capture is a feature-rich evolution of the award-winning Mimo View Capture. The Mimo Myst for Android offers the convenience of the common operating system and only needs one cable installation for seamless connectivity. Wall and swivel table mount options are available for all displays and give you ultimate flexibility to choose the right solution to scale alongside your organization. All displays are also compatible with the largest video conferencing software. Finally, long-distance installation options and the elimination of extra extenders and cables means the Mimo Myst family is truly future-proof. Reimagine and empower your conference room with the Mimo Myst family.